Hello BI Geeks, this is Daria from Incadi Solutions. So today we are going to explore the new preview feature added by Microsoft in Power BI Service. Here when we need to explore the data present in our semantic model, we used to export our data into an Excel file and then create a report by creating pivot table and by plotting rows, columns and values in it, which was quite a tedious task, right? So to overcome this problem, Microsoft has come up with a new solution by which we can explore our semantic model in Power BI Service itself. By clicking on the Explore this data option, a new window will pop up in which we can explore our semantic model. On the right hand side, we can see the tables present in our semantic model. Suppose we want to plot country-wise sales of our products. We will plot country and sales column from our financial table. We can see here we got the matrix. From here, we can also add filters to our visual. Here I am adding the country filter and filtering out few countries of my choice. After that, we can also visualize our data using the different visual available. After exploring our semantic model, we can save our exploration as it is or we can save it as a report. We will save it as an exploration one in our workspace. Feasibility to explore the semantic model. This feature has some limitations like explorations are not currently supported for streaming dataset. Users need Pro or VPU license to share the exploration. All native visuals are supported except Q&A visual, Smart Narrative, Matrices, PageRank Report, Power Apps and Power Automate. To read about this feature in detail, please follow the link given in the description box below. Thank you.